It's heat period. Of course, you want to take cold showers this period. And do you know, cold showers are therapeutic. Like this period, you just got to take cold showers so that you can feel good. Nigeria is too hot. It's heat period. Of course, you want to wear breathable clothes, soft cotton clothes. You don't want to wear something that will choke you or suffocate you, like suiting up and, oh, the country is hard. You need to, wear light clothes so that you can feel good and not be anxious. But don't be naked. It's heat period. Of course, you want to drink a lot of water. You need to stay hydrated at every point. Like, you've got to be hydrated. Sip on drinks, sip on fruity smoothies, juices. It's going to help you a lot this period. It's heat period. Of course, you want to invest in swimming lessons. Like, swimming this period will do your body a lot of good. So imagine being in the pool. It's one way for you to ease off the stress of the whole week. It's heat period. Of course, you cannot trust never. You need to get yourself rechargeable fans. Like, oh my God, help! It's heat period. Of course, you want to take breaks intermittently for your own mental sanity. Like, it's very important this period that you take short breaks just to help you stay sane, because this period can make you anxious, can make you irritated, easily irritated. So you want to take short breaks. Take a breather, breathe in and chillax. So this is Health Situations, bringing you healthy tips for every season. So continue to stay with us. Thank you.